Hey, there's so much water around the Tampa Bay area, and there's so many different opportunities to go deep sea fishing, but that can cost you hundreds of dollars. Well, fear not, beautiful people, because I found a great charter company who will take you out to deep sea fish for less than $100. All you gotta do is just show up. Let's go then.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Rods are going to be in this locker right here. You'll grab a rod, tie off wherever you want to fish from. That'll save your spot.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
It's a really big boat, so all you got to do is just find your perch, stay there the whole trip, have a good old time. Let's do it. All right, so when you get on the boat, you can just chill out because it's going to take an hour to get all the way out there into the Gulf.
We're trying to do some drift fishing this morning. What that means is the boat's going to be moving with the wind current. We've covered more ground that way.
Well, I've been with the company for close to 30 years. A lot of people ask, like, you know, what's the biggest thing that we catch or the most interesting, or, you know, how long we've been doing this, or how big the boat is.
Yeah. What can you catch?
Well, today we're going to be mostly looking for white grunt, black sea bass, a couple varieties of porgy, perch, red grouper, catch sharks.
It's a little bitty fish. Ain't no need to get even choking on the bone with this one. Use this one as a toothpick. Just that easy.
Just that easy.
Just put the line in the water.
Put the line in the water. Don't set your
work.
hook and let the fish do the work. We are more than happy to take the fish off for you. I prefer if you bait your own hooks.
That's not the bad part.
Want to keep them? We'll give them a number.
Or you throw them at your girlfriend.
So we'll keep all these. We'll head back in. Once we get back into the marina, if people want to have their fish filleted, we'll fillet them for them. They can take them down to the restaurants and get them cooked up.